Let me check out it. You can size this to any size. So the first thing, now I want to teach you how to um, add alternate text to an image. How do you add alternate text to an image on Blogger? You click on the image, then you click on what? Uh, this icon, that is a jar icon. You click on it. Then this is the alternate text. Then you name the alternate text should be the name of the image. So the image is what brown white pages logo. Brown white pages. Dash. Remember, please don't put dash for this one logo. For your alternate text, you don't need to put dash. But when you are naming it, you put dash. This is an alternate text. It's dash. Once you put brown white pages space logo, is update. So that is the alternate text. What does the alternate text do? The alternate text is basically what does the alternate text is basically for to let whoever that's on the website uh, that is not loading fast. There are some website that sometimes the website can be loading very slow because of server, internet connection, or because of the website. So because if the image cannot load, the name will appear. So you will know that what is supposed to be here is what is brown white pages logo on the web page. So that is how you do alternate text on a Blogger. So